Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set task reminders on Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get right into it. First up, you need to log into your Asana account. You might be thinking, why is this important? Well, you need to be logged in to access your tasks and set reminders for them. So, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in, navigate to the Tasks section. This is where all your tasks live and where you can set reminders. Now, why do we do this? To have a clear overview of what needs to be done and when. Next, you'll want to select the task you want to set a reminder for. Just click on the task and it will open up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is pulling up all the details related to that task, including its deadline, assignee, and description. Now that we've done that, look for the Add Reminder button, usually found on the right side of your task. Click on it. You might be wondering why we're adding a reminder. Well, this helps us because it ensures we don't forget about the task. It's like having a personal assistant that nudges you when it's time to start working on a task. A dialog box will pop up. Here, you can specify when you want to be reminded. You can choose to be reminded a few minutes, hours, or even days before the task is due. The reason we do this is to give ourselves enough time to complete the task. Once you've chosen your reminder time, hit Save. Let me explain why this matters. If you don't save your changes, Asana won't remember your preferences and you won't get your reminder. So always remember to hit Save. And there you have it, setting task reminders on Asana in just a few simple steps. This will help you stay on top of your tasks and meet your deadlines. Remember, Asana is a powerful tool, but it's only as effective as you make it. So go ahead, set those reminders, and stay on track. Thanks for watching.